my name is Bhavesh Prajapat, a finance and IT specialist. Through this program, I gain expertise in both areas and secure an internship as a marketing research intern at MDRA. It was an incredible opportunity to gain hands-to-hand experience in market research and data analysis, which helped me to sharpen my analytical skills. After completing the program, I was placed as an inside sales executive at Koenig Solutions. This position allowed me to apply my skills in real-world scenarios and learn more about IT industry. I am grateful to my professor and mentors at IMM who have guided me throughout the journey. This program has given me a strong foundation in both finance and IT, and I am excited about the future.